Hey guys, Christy here. Today we're going to look at one of the new apps, which is an image generator. And this one is Google's AI Image Generator with Imagen. So we're going to go ahead, it'll be in your apps. You'll go ahead and open that. And this gives you some examples of what you can create. So basically, it's going to be up to you to give it the prompt for what you want to see, and then you can adjust accordingly. Now it says you do get 25 credits. Apparently, you get 25 credits per month, I'm guessing. I'm not sure if you can get more or not, but for now, that's what you get. All right, so I'm going to just put something in here and see what happens. A cute dog sitting near a pond, let's be more specific, in the grass near a pond and watching the beautiful sunset. Sunset. All right. I have no idea how this is going to turn out. So we're going to go down here and we're going to put generate. And it's going to start working in the background and we'll see what happens. Aw, look how cute that is. Now it looks like it gives you two different ones. And I really like this one. I think that one is much better. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and open that. And you can see what it came up with. Isn't that like so realistic? It's the stuff that this can do is crazy. Now what you can do again is, I'm going to add a page here. You can generate again. Let's say I didn't really like these. I'm going to go ahead and do another generate. But it wants me to do a different prompt. Sitting grass near a pond and watching the beautiful sunset near a, let's say calm, just to add a different word there. And we're going to generate it again. So this is just to give you an idea. Obviously, you'll probably want to be more specific with the words that you're using. So here are a couple more that it came up with. So this was one. So I'm going to go ahead and open that one. And it gave me what I was looking for. Cute dog sitting in the grass near a calm pond, watching the beautiful sunset. And then you can edit this photo once you have it generated. So if you want to like give it a certain filter here, you could do that. If you're not, that is kind of nice right there. And then you could lower the intensity. So you could do all kinds of things once you've got that. You can get frames, put the picture in the frame, and just have fun with it. All right, so I just wanted to show you that today, and don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.